Welcome to the Sterling Fleet Outfitters slip-in fiber optic splicing capsule, designed for outside plant fiber optic splicing operations. These are very heavy-duty, one-piece molded capsules. They're constructed entirely of one piece in the upper body, so there's no external seams to weaken or crack in any way. Heavily reinforced structure, which we'll take a look at inside. There's many options for the way these can be set up, and this shows a typical configuration for fiber optic splicing and telecommunication work. Demonstration of our portal for the cables and fiber optic splicing enclosure that need to be brought inside. This is a fully secured door with all fasteners and access to latches on the inside only. The small door opens independently to allow for cables to run into the capsule with the main door shut in order to keep the temperature controlled inside and to keep dust and debris out as well when the technician is working inside. Our fiber optic splicing bench is very heavy duty and comes with a storage shelf underneath as standard. Additional drawers can be added as well. The window is an option which provides natural light. The nose cone at the front of the capsule is capable of holding 500 pounds, so it's a great storage space for heavy equipment, and it's large as well. It's 40 inches deep and 70 inches wide. There's a distribution panel which distributes power to the receptacles at the bench and beside the charger as well. The charger is powered by the 120 volt system, and it provides 12 volts DC to keep all the lighting operating inside and any lighting outside as well for beacons or warning lighting on the vehicle. The compartment shown here we'll look at from the outside as well. This is where our generator operates. It's a completely sealed compartment, so there's no infiltration of heat or exhaust from the generator into the capsule. Air conditioning is common on these capsules for operating in warmer conditions. It's powered by the generator as well, and there's multiple settings for fan speed. There's a heat option as well. Many contractors go with a wind-powered ventilator to keep the ventilation through the capsule when driving, and it's wind-powered as well, so it's operating at all times. LED lighting provides excellent light above the splicing bench and in the main area of the capsule as well. Standard aluminum shelf unit is 48 inches long with 4 shelves. We can put a locking door on the shelf openings as well to store fusion splicers and expensive equipment securely. Removable parts keepers are an option. Hooks for hanging equipment such as outdoor clothing, ropes, cables, etc. And this space at the rear is often used for storage of fresh air blowers or other equipment that needs to stand upright. The shelf can be made longer to 60 inches if desired. Full stand-up height inside, 6'1" clearance to the ribs, and now you can see the reinforced structure of the shell. It's very heavy duty and strong enough that the entire capsule can be lifted on using a forklift from inside, fully outfitted. The generator compartment is located on the curbside for easy access when parked at the side of a busy street. The door latches in the open position, and there's a pull-out tray which locks closed and locks open. A 3 kilowatt generator is commonly used to power the capsule, and it adequately handles the power demands of the air conditioning as well as the equipment that's being operated by the technician inside. It's electric start and remains plugged in so that as soon as it starts, the power directly feeds the distribution panel and all of the 120 volt loads inside the capsule. This is all located in a secure locking compartment with a weatherproof vented aluminum door on the outside.